Japan has officially launched the world's first human washing machine. It's a 2-meter spa capsule that washes, rinses, and dries your entire body in just 15 minutes using microbubbles, fine mist, and built in health sensors. The experience even includes relaxing lights, music, turning bath time into a future.
First off and foremost, fuck no. This is like a Final Destination scene waiting to happen. But if I was a tech, I'm gonna stress you the fuck out. Gonna make a sound that makes you think that it's locked, that you can't get out. Make it a stressful experience. Maybe even lock the door. Just so you never go back in. But the funny thing is, it cost almost $400,000.